Welcome to the Kantas.
We have a controversial category called the most controversial controversies. And the very first amongst them is, really, this is really bad. The thing is, if she's in the stadium, she's a distraction. If she's not in the stadium, she's not a supportive girlfriend. So in this country, being an Indian cricketer's girlfriend is like taking on the role of the hero ka behan. पता है लगनी ही लगनी है. It's amazing. Blaming her for... I was so amazed that I didn't even know Khap Panchayat was on Twitter. And while we talk about Khap Panchayat, the Sardar of Khap Panchayat tweeted this. I request to all the people to go and throw stones at the house of Anushka Sharma, who is the main reason for the defeat of India. By that logic, we should be throwing stones at your English teacher. Kamal R. Khan has his head shoved up so far up his ass. When he talks, it's like two assholes talking together. Basically, guys, all I'm saying is we are Indians. We wrote the Kama Sutra. We practically wrote the book of putting people in impossible positions and fucking them. It's an intelligent joke. It'll get there. And of course, then basically, Virat Kohli stepped forward and actually put on something on Instagram shaming Anushka's trolls, right? And firstly, everybody thought कि इसका account hack हो गया because पूरे text में there was not a single MC or BC. And of course, it's fucked up to blame Anushka for Virat's game, but you know how fucked up it is when it takes a Delhi boy to stand up for a woman's honor. How many fans of BJP in the audience? This is taking the Swachhata Abhiyan to another level, man. I don't blame us. See, we are a country where we believe कि बच्चे तो भगवान की देन होते हैं और कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ मंदिर का घंटा बजाने से बच्चे हो जाते हैं. दो फूल की क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होती है, बच्चे हो जाते हैं. बारिश आई, हीरोइन भीग गई, बच्चे हो जाते हैं. We even beep out the word condom from our serials. क्योंकि our esteemed leaders think condom सुनते ही सारी दुनिया सेक्स करने लगेगी. जैसे 1.2 बिलियन तो हम सिर्फ नमस्ते कर करके पहुंचे हैं. So naturally, in this country, a 51-year-old woman can't be seen as kissing. ये उम्र है तुम्हारी चूमा चाटी करने की. People are thinking यार इस उम्र की औरतें सिर्फ भगवान के सामने झुकती हैं. In fact, even Pelash Nilani would have gone and said, इतनी लंबी पप्पी, इतनी देर में तो बंटी की मम्मी और मैंने बंटी बना दिया था. So let's start with, so Hrithik has sued Kangana, like he's slapped on a defamation case on Kangana. Kangana has slapped on an intimidation case on Hrithik. Bollywood has gone nuts saying, guys, use easier English. No, it's ridiculous, man. And come on, he says she was writing to an imposter. But account na, his name is Hrithik. How many people are likely to have an account that goes roshan@email.com? I think the whole situation is ridiculous. And just when all this drama is playing out, Adhyayan Suman, firstly, she called him her silly ex. Her list of exes includes Aditya Pancholi and Adhyayan Suman, who together have a collective IQ of a fish in a coma. Those of you who don't know who Adhyayan Suman is, he's the son of Shekhar Suman, who spends 12 hours a day sitting next to Sidhu. तो देखो IQ पे impact तो आएगा ही आएगा. They are so dumb, even Donald Trump is going, bro, you could be the next president of the US. And you know, right, what he said? Adhyayan was like, I don't want to take sides, but she's a bitch. And you know, right, he said that she tried to do black magic on him by putting impure food in his blood and all that. Now, apparently, Kangana has written 1,439 mails to Hrithik Roshan, which is a fuckload of writing to do with one hand squeezing a tampon over Adhyayan's food. And you know, people said that this was probably Adhyayan's attempt to make a comeback in movies. As an actor, I'm saying, forget as an actor. Adhyayan, make a comeback as a man. What? Seriously? Also, come on, look at it. If she's given him a blood donation of any kind, he should be grateful because now there'll be far more talent running in his veins. And the winner of this category is, any guesses? Absolutely, give it up for Kangana Ranaut.